what a difference an hour makes. The body's sitting right down on the frame. In the frame is the engine, and it looks like a Land Cruiser once again. It's pretty contrasty as far as colors go. The black headlight bucket, Singus white on the bezel, the green, the silver. So our mock-up of the body worked out well, and it's going to allow us to get things going here as far as getting it all back together. Again, more contrast, very definitive in the back here with the galvanized frame. You can see that our trannies all line up nicely with the holes. So now it's just a matter of populating it with different items.